I'll wait to see your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses. Oh, please stay a while. I'll reach up to hold your sunlit face.
We're now at the IBA Pontoon in Nidri, right next to Liho Bay, where we've been anchored all week. Our friends on OX were here this past week installing their new solar arch with Donovan's help, and now it's our turn, with Roman lending a hand. We're on a 4.5 depth, and we are at the IBA Pontoon, so we can get our solar arch put on. Exciting! Building a pontoon. Step 1, take off the old arch, and to do that we need to catch every loose bolt with an umbrella over the water. Genius, right? One panel down, 2 more to go, and then everything's off and we're ready for tomorrow to put all the new stuff on.
If I tell you it's starting to go wobbly-doo.
To remove the arch, we use our topping lift, a line that normally supports the boom when the sail's down. We secured the boom, removed the topping lift, tied a bowline knot, and rigged it to the arch using another line. Donovan held a separate line from the pontoon to guide the arch, while I use a winch at the helm to slowly lower it. And just like that, the old arch is off. Time for our install. Here comes our new solar arch. Oh no, that's just a panel.
Alright, who's on first? I go first. Who's on second?
What can I do?
Nothing, I'm down. You get a crawl.
There's 4 of those?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Under this.
Holy, that thing is enormous. And now, drum roll please. Our new solar arch.
Alright, so here it is. We're gonna hook that up. We're gonna have the guides here, and then when it's high enough, this will swing in and that will drop down. So
We're lifting it pretty much the same way we brought the old one down.
Hold on, let me get a line and put it on there, okay? Catch what, 2 or 3? Yeah, because then we have a uniform. I'll help you push the trailer back. Yeah, I'll go help too.
Is this going to be safe like this?
You're here.
I love that you're here. What am I supposed to do? I guess I'll just stand here and supervise while soaking in this dreamy harbor view of Nidri. Once we have the arch exactly where we want it, we mark the bolt holes, drill them out, and leave the topping lift attached until the support columns are ready. But we can't add those until the panels are installed. We need to know the right tilt angle so rainwater can run off properly. Then we measure and install the columns.
Yeah, because we haven't got a fixed point down there. What's your YouTube site?
It is Sailing Eucalyptus. The solar panels are bifacial, meaning they can charge from both sides. so as long as our dinghy isn't blocking them, they'll even absorb light reflecting off the water from below. Super bonus!
Maybe 6'5",
Almost 7.
7 feet, maybe. Oh, actually probably 7 foot, yeah.
Okay. All 4 panels are on. It's not bolted down yet? Oh. This is not nerve-wracking at all. That looks ridiculous. That looks absolutely absurd. Good Lord. I'm trying to finish the installation of the legs for the solar arch, but the wind has just really picked up. The waves are pretty big. And we're bouncing all over the place.
This is not fun, right?
The new solar arch and panels are up and running. Paired with our lithium batteries, we're now fully charged and ready to cruise until our haul out. Honestly, our boat kinda looks like it has its own attached carport, but hey, it works. The arms are on and it is under its own weight now. So we are going to remove the lines on the topping lift and hope that it all stays where it's at now. Donovan washed the whole outside of the boat and put the screens back down for now. Because of course, as soon as we wash it, this comes over the mountains. To keep track of all the power coming in and going out, we use a few apps. The Victron VRM portal, the Victron Connect, and the Overkill solar app. The Victron VRM portal is kind of like mission control. It shows a full overview of our power system, like how much charge is in our batteries, how much solar power we're generating, and how much we're using at any given time. You can also look at the graphs from previous days to see the trends. On this graph, the yellow bars in the middle of the day show the peak solar production, while the pink bars, usually higher in the evening, show when we use the most power. That's typically when we're running the air conditioning to cool the boat down while we chill out and watch TV before bed. It also shows quirky stuff like our black water tank levels. Yes, we've named them port poo and starboard poo, so we always know which one's getting dangerously full. The Victron Connect app is more for setup and direct communication with each Victron device on our boat, like our solar charge controllers or battery monitor. You connect to them via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and get real-time data, tweak settings, or do firmware updates. Then there's the Overkill solar app, which is all about our lithium batteries. Each of our 4 batteries has its own battery management system, or BMS, and this app talks directly to them, showing us the voltage, temperature, state of charge, and health of each individual battery. If anything gets too hot or too low, this app will be the first one to let us know. It's kind of like each app has its own specialty, and together they give us a complete view of what's powering our floating home. We're knocking off projects on our big old to-do list, and soon we're going to be hauling out to apply copper coat and finish some final maintenance. Then it's off to Albania, Montenegro, and Croatia. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.